Hey everyone, Dr. Jenny here at Pro Chiropractic, and today we're here with one of our patients, Andrea, and we're going to be doing some cupping with Andrea. Andrea has had a past low back injury back when she was in college. She was a D1 athlete, and she had a stress fracture in her lumbar spine. And so she has a lot of adhesions and a lot of scar tissue built up around that low back injury. And so what we're doing today is we're doing something called cupping. Cupping is a myofascial release technique that we use here in the office along with the adjustments. Now we've already had a chance to go through and adjust Andrea and help get her spine back aligned, but now we're going to do some soft tissue work where we're going to help release that adhesion. Okay, so with cupping, it's actually an ancient Egyptian and Chinese medicine that was used many years ago, actually thousands of years ago, that we are still using today. Okay, and so with this technique, I'll add a little bit of Chiroderm on there just to help the area. This is also, it's medical grade, like biofreeze essentially, that's going to help us with applying those cups onto her low back. So we're going to start by applying a couple of these down here first. And we're suctioning up with this little handheld tool here to help lift and raise the tissue up into those cups. And what this is doing is you can see right away that areas of injury are going to have more blood flow and they're going to be a lot more red. And so as I'm applying these cups, you can see right away that these top three are the most red. And we're going to let these sit here just for a little bit and let them start to lift up any of that old blood flow, any of that adhesion that's inside of there. And again, it's going to help stimulate the lymphatic system. It's going to help with stimulating the nervous system, and is helping overall adhesion release in there. So in about 30 seconds here, I'm going to take off a couple, and then I'm going to start to move the cups through those paraspinal muscles. All right, and again, if you look still here, if you zoom in here quick for me, Tasha, again, you can see there's three of them that are bright red, and these ones have little to no redness in them. And so that's, again, telling me that that's where some adhesion's been laid down and where some more blood flow is at. And so we're going to pop off these other ones here. And I'm actually going to move these cups through some of that tissue and lift some of that tissue up. Now, Andrea, this is going to feel pretty intense, okay? And you let us know how you're doing through it, okay?
Okay.
So I'm going to start to move these. And this can leave some bruising in there, but it should go away after a couple days. Okay. So she's doing okay on this side. A little bit of extra adhesion up in this upper right. But I can see here so far is I'm actually going to remove this one. Is her biggest problem and pain is going to be right in this left side. How are we doing, Andrea?
Yep, definitely feel it.
Pretty intense, right? Okay, so I'm going to start just to move those and glide those through there. And so I want you to come zoom right in here again. And there's some mild little red bumps that you're going to see inside that, and that's called petechia. And that is when blood vessels have actually, hang in there, Andrea, good job, have actually laid down blood vessels, the body's laid down blood vessels to the scar tissue, trying to support it. And so that's what those little red bumps are when we start to do some cupping in there, is you're going to start to see some petechia. Hang in there, keep breathing. Doing okay? Pretty intense, right? Mm-hmm. Okay. And so we're going to leave these on here for a little bit longer and work through that a little bit more. But for the purpose of the video, I just wanted just to demonstrate this a little bit more so the public and everyone else can see what we also do along with the adjustment here at Pro Chiropractic. If any other questions, please let me know. I'm Dr. Jenny here at Pro Chiropractic in Belgrade. Have a great day.